So basically, congratulations, you've already done everything for your course, and your course is basically done and it's ready to be published. But there is one small thing left, and it is actually submitting the course to Udemy itself. Everything that you've been doing until now was done only on your end, and only you've been seeing whatever you've been doing. Now, Udemy actually needs to review your course and say that, yeah, everything is okay, and publish it. And you can do this by pressing submit for review button. That's basically what it is. If you lack something, if you miss something, if your course length is not enough and things like that, before it's gonna allow you to submit your review, it's gonna tell you that you are lacking some essential things that you need to add. And if everything is right and if everything is correct, then your course will be submitted to review, and all you have left is just to wait. But before you're gonna press submit for review, you have an option to choose the URL for your course. Make sure that you choose as short URL as possible and not put like very long URL, because it just makes your course look a bit better and a bit more professional. Don't worry, it does not affect anything course-wise, because it's just a vanity link for your course and it's just looks good, and that's it. And after you choose your link and submit your course review, you'll have to wait either a few days, or in a worst case scenario, or maybe even a few hours in a best case scenario. Your course will be reviewed and you will be given feedback. And feedback will be either one of two. Either there is something wrong with your course, and actually Udemy Associate will tell you what is wrong with your course and you will need to fix that before it's gonna get published, or everything will be fine and your course will be published immediately. If something is wrong, don't worry, don't panic. You will be told exactly what you will need to fix. Fix that. Usually it's not some big things that will take days or weeks to fix. It's usually some smaller things, like maybe putting the links where you're not supposed to, or maybe having a bad introduction and things like that. Usually it's not the things that will take more than a few days to fix in worst case scenario. In my case, usually it took like maybe a few hours to fix in worst case scenario for me. Fix all of that and again, resubmit your course, and if everything is okay, your course will be published. So, well, after that, congratulations, you are now an official Udemy instructor. So now what? Well, you have either one of two options. You will either, well, start working on the next course, which will be the best case scenario for you, because yeah, multiple courses is the key on Udemy, or you will start marketing your course and promoting it extensively. However, this is the topic for completely another course and for another time. Again, congratulations on your course, and I hope that you will succeed on Udemy. And you know what? Let's wrap this course up, and I'm gonna see you in the last lecture. See you there.